So I'm doing a video here, and this is a Delphi connector that's most your LS motors, Chevy LS motors. I'm going to show everybody how to take these wires out of here. Very easy. So first thing you got to do is, of course, pop this little retainer off that they put on here. Of course, there's electrical wire running around, electrical tape running around that. That's got to be taken off first. So you pull that off, and what you do is these two slots on here. It's a slot. You can see that. Turn the light on here. So the slot, two slots, one on each side. One here, one there. What you got to do is take your small screwdriver, push that in there on each side, and then one on this side here. Push that side in. Give that a little push, and that bends those two tabs. There's one on this side and one on that side. You pull the wire out, so you can see that it's got two little tabs on there, metal tabs. So I'll show you on this one here too. It's got, see it right in there. Push that in, turn it around, push that side in too as well. It's very thin metal, of course, copper. Pull that right out. So of course when you put it back in, when you're replacing, let's say, these plugs, a lot of times these plugs right here, that little tab breaks off all the time because they get old plastic. So of course when you stick your wire back in there, you'll have to bend that little tab back out. So you might need a smaller screwdriver to get in there. Bend that tab out, and then you insert the wire back in there, just like this. There, yep, just like that. Insert that back in there. Real easy. Hopefully this helps out somebody.